Here's how to add walls to your 3D house design. If you've already got a sketch of the floor plan, drag that into the project. Make sure to set the scale correctly to save yourself headaches later on. Then head over to the structures menu. Pick your wall style: brick, tiles, fencing, even glass walls. Then simply click to create the wall's start and end points. The lines will snap square if you move your mouse slowly. To get precise dimensions, you can start typing. They'll adjust the wall length. You can chain multiple walls together by clicking each endpoint. Don't worry about leaving space for arches and doors. We'll create them later. To adjust any of the walls, exit the drawing mode and select that wall. Edit the length with the black label, edit the thickness or the height with the blue handles, edit the endpoints with the blue dots. You can even make these go up slopes with their red arrows. You can make the walls curved by editing the line, and you can inset or offset the wall relative to that line. Then add windows, doors and archways in much the same way. They create the gaps in the walls automatically. To change the wall colors, click the paintbrush and then click the face of the wall that you want to change. If you want to create a second floor to your building, I recommend duplicating the walls and using the red arrows to move them up. That's all for now. Enjoy building.